mainstream, the mainstream, the mainstream, I'm like a salmon in the mainstream, the mainstream, fuck the mainstream.
Yo, I'm back in, you will never find me slacking. That's a fact that I'm back with traction. Rip fast to attack through acting. If they trash, I'ma send them packing. Stacking my tracks with traps, and I'ma catch all the whack in action with no mask when I kick that ass, and ass beside and I get it cracking. That's accurate, borderline immaculate. Hoarders hoard my tracks, and yet no trash around my raps. And if there is, I ain't having it. If I start relaxing, shit'd hit a fan faster than a fat kid back on Atkins quick. Yeah, I'm just a hip-hop machine, climbing to the tip-top, nobody stopping me. I hope you heard it, I ain't saying that I'm perfect, but I'm putting in these hours, so I'm bound to make them worth it. Rhyming with a purpose, no purchase necessary. Money secondary when you meet the cemetery. I'ma bury all the greed when I make this shit for free. You could keep your Lamborghini and your shallow secretary, cuz
I'm like a salmon in the mainstream, the mainstream, the mainstream, I'm like a salmon in the mainstream, the mainstream, fuck the mainstream.
Yo, I'm back inside of my lab, keeping the soul, dropping the swag, taking the money, grabbing a bag, selling it back to all of the whack rappers on the TV, making kiddies think it's easy to get famous. If you're brainless, you can make it like me. See, I'm faded rolling a cone, I get that garbage out of my home. If you can't stand up on your own, come back and talk to me when you're grown, cause a baby who blames his problems on the bottle be full of shit. Old enough to buy your handle, young enough to lose your grit. So if you're trendy, have a Molly, they got plenty, and they're way too cool for school. Better skip and go to Wendy's, cause that education be whack. They gon' be famous and all of that crap, telling the kids they're better than crack. That's how they be keeping them all coming back, right? Ain't it tricky if they keep their chorus sticky? You gon' bees in their trap, like bees in a trap. But I don't wanna be like that, I wanna set the people free. Go ahead, ask me why, I'll always say the same thing.
I'm like a salmon in the mainstream, the mainstream, the mainstream,